Hello all and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am Lish the Baker, and on today's episode we are making coconut macaroons. Coconut is such a versatile ingredient. In the winter, I always think it's so fun and festive and reminiscent of snow. And then in the summer, it just screams summertime fun to me. So today we are making gluten-free coconut macaroons that are perfect for any time of year. And without any further ado, let's get into the baking. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and ring the little bell icon so you get notified every time I post a new video. Leave a comment down below. Does coconut scream winter or summer to you? Until next time, keep it delicious.